Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming core prerequisites so nothing simple is blocking sends. First, verify your username, password, and the SMTP host and port. Wrong ports or auth break delivery. Next, make sure your network, VPN, or firewall isn't blocking 25, 587, or 465. Temporarily disable to test. Then clear the outbox and restart Outlook. Small test messages to yourself confirm whether the client will attempt to send. Once done, you're ready for deeper troubleshooting. Now dig into configuration and local caches, because many failures come from auth or corruption. Make sure SMTP authentication is enabled and the encryption type matches your provider. TLS is common. Mismatches block handshakes. If mail still queues, repair the PSD/OSD or recreate your Outlook profile. Cached exchange mode sometimes needs rebuilding. Disable suspicious add-ins and turn off antivirus email scanning briefly to isolate interference. Also update Outlook. Patches often fix known. Finish by isolating whether the problem is server-side or client-side. Use Telnet or your provider's webmail to send. Success there means Outlook is the issue, not the server. Check server limits, mailbox quota, rate limits, blocked recipients, or IP blacklisting, because providers often throttle or reject sends. If issues persist, enable logging, capture error codes and timestamps, and contact the provider or IT with those details. One troubleshooting tip: check SMTP error codes. They tell you exactly why a send was rejected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.